Good morning, guys. It's August 7, 2020, and it's currently 5:31 in the morning. It's my husband's birthday today, but we are working, and it's okay because it's Friday anyway, so it don't matter. Like his birthday matters, but like we rather just like take a whole week off next week. So we are going to celebrate his birthday tomorrow, and we decided to have a dinner date tonight, but he didn't know that I have a surprise for him. I am going to bring him to this farm that has a movie night. There's some s'mores and there's some goats. Oh, how cute is it? It's really hard to think of what to do because of this crazy COVID, but I hope it's gonna be great. So exciting! Hope you like it, love. I love you. So right now he's still inside the house. I just want to make sure that I got everything before we leave. He didn't know that I have the s'mores things on the back of our trunk. So I have a the here there you go. Here I have graham, marshmallow, chips, chocolate, water, and a blanket. So let's do this. I'm so excited. Gonna have a dinner date with my husband. Happy birthday, love. See you all later. Hello guys, it's currently 7:47 p.m. and it's still bright. Look at that, there's still sun. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Are you excited, love?
Yes, I am.
Oh my god, look at that, it's so gorgeous. Wow. Hey, love.
Where? I was nothing.
We're gonna have dinner.
Here?
Almost there, yeah. There.
It's a farm.
Oh my god. We're here.
What are we gonna eat here? Sunflower?
We're gonna eat plants. We're here, I told you. Just go with me. We're gonna eat. Don't worry about it. Okay, let's go. No, I'm not. Okay, wear your mask. Let's go. Are you mad? Happy birthday, love. Love you. What you gonna say? We're here. Look at that. Look at that. It's so cute. Oh my god. They're so cute. Hi. Love, come here. Look at them. They're so tiny. Oh, so cute. I love. Do you love it? Actually, this is the first time that we're gonna do this. Yeah. This small town, we didn't know that we can do a lot of things. Da-da-da-da. This small. Who knows that we can do a lot of things. Graham, chocolate, water, sticks, marshmallow, and gooseberry purples. And it's a movie. Some flowers. Cheers, guys! We're having some s'mores. So how do you like it, Nella? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
So we're sitting on the floor. We're in the farm and we're having some like movie later. Yeah, there's some people in front, but it's okay. Love you. Happy birthday.
You love you.